Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here are some possible thoughts of the day ideas for a school assembly. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Don't watch the clock, do what it does, keep going. Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and attended to with diligence. You are stronger than you seem, braver than you believe, and smarter than you think. The best way to predict your future is to create it. You have the power to make a positive impact. Happiness is not something ready made. It comes from your own actions. Kindness is a language that everyone understands. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Perseverance and hard work lead to success. You are unique and special. Celebrate your individuality. I hope these thoughts will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.